Everyone, it's Jack with Real Deal Crew. I really appreciate you joining me here today. I'm going to be talking about what I'm working on right now, and I'll see how far this goes because I don't want to make this video too long. This is the problem, and this is how I plan to solve it over the course of a couple episodes here. Maybe I can show you how things are coming along. We have 3 websites that we've invested a lot of time, money, and effort into. And it's provided by a pretty large company that, frankly, is likely the most common in the real estate professional world right now. The problem is we've seen a significant drop in organic search results, and I suspect that it has something to do with not being able to stay on top of the blog posts, and it's really difficult to position the new content. And now we have a number of people in our market using the exact same websites and the exact same content. And as such, Google and the search engines have gotten really smart at detecting similar content. And unless you're willing to spend a number of hours rewriting that content and optimizing that content, you're just going to get lost in the shuffles. And frankly, we're not even on the first page of the search results anymore, where we were the number one when we first used this solution many, many years ago. So it is time to do something drastically different. So with that being said, we also need to keep in mind that the landscape when it comes to search engines are changing dramatically as we speak. And in fact, it isn't SEO in the way we used to think of it anymore. A lot of people are using AI, whether it's ChatGPT, Gemini in Google Search, Bing and Copilot, ChatGPT. A number of these now are looking for different signals to validate your business versus just vomiting out content. So we're going to be changing our approach to make sure that we're now seen as a valid business versus us just providing more and more similar content. And finally, our current websites aren't fully integrated with our deal flow, and that's our systems and processes today. So we're going to be taking advantage of this. Since I'm in here doing this, we're going to just kind of redo the whole thing. We have 3 full websites running with probably similar content across similar 3 websites. I'm sure that hasn't been helping us either. So how am I going to change this? What am I going to be doing different? Well, first off is the house buying website that's trying to attract distressed homeowners is we're going to turn that into a funnel. And if you're not familiar with a funnel, it's going to be a one-page website that is trying to drive an action. In this case, we're going to try to get the person's contact information, the property address, of course. And then after doing so, it'll submit it into our software in order to do some initial follow-up, because we want to contact that person within 60 seconds of them hitting that submit button. We're going to keep an authority website, but we're going to change the audience and how it's focused. Currently, we're kind of a bit all over the place in the fact that the messaging is quite a bit more investor-driven. But again, we want that as an authoritative website that supports the distressed homeowner funnel. So if somebody wants to do a little more searching for us, does a Google search, for example, they find our core website and then they can dive a little deeper into what we offer, who we are, that type of thing. So we're going to change the audience target on that. And then finally, the house selling website is going to be, the house selling funnel is going to replace our cash buyer website. And again, it's strictly a funnel to collect that person's contact information and maybe some of their basic information around their investment preferences. The new strategy is going to try to simplify things, provide a far more targeted marketing effort. And one of the things I think is going to be really interesting is that initially, at least, I'm going to not have a blog in any of these, especially the authority website. And we're going to focus on validity of the business. And that's going to be including finding ways to get quality links to the website. Do not use any of those services that offer you 100 plus links to your website. Google and all of those places are really smart. We're talking about finding ways in which to become more involved in your community. And that could be Chamber of Commerce, charitable organizations, companies and groups that are seen as authorities in your community and market, that you can get some of that juice to your website to show that validity. The funnels are going to drive action and to squeeze the juice out of all of our marketing efforts. So whether we're sending out mailings, doing pay-per-clicks, doing a number of other marketing activities, we're going to be driving all of that attention to the funnels. And that is going to be in hopes to drive the needed action. And then finally, we're going to integrate this fully with our deal flow system. So the deal flow system is going to start doing automatic follow-ups, automatic reach outs. We will incorporate some AI to ask some initial questions. There's a number of things that we can take advantage of today, because in the end, what we want to do is not only see better results, but also reduce the amount of hand-holding these systems need. We've all got into real estate investing for financial freedom, but in the end, we sometimes make things more complicated, and then we have to be hand-holding these things through the whole process, and it just becomes a time suck. So we're going to do our best to take a second, think things through, and make sure it's set up properly in order to hands off on a few things. If you're interested in watching me build this thing out, I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe to this channel, because the videos are going to come quite a bit more frequently as I'm building this out. If you have any thoughts or questions, I'm going to have a Skool community, Skool. I'm going to direct you there. Initially, there's not going to be a charge to that, so take advantage of that. Go over there, because any prompts or anything that I use as I build this out, I'm going to post it there, because it's going to be the easiest way to share some of this information. So subscribe to that. I'll try to have a link for it in the show notes. Don't be surprised if there's only a handful of people in there initially. But yeah, let's build out this thing together. This should be fun. Like and subscribe. Why don't you make a comment? What you think? Do you think this is like something I probably shouldn't be pursuing at all? I'd love to hear your feedback, your thoughts. Give me some direction. RealDealCrew.com. This was Jack, and we'll see you next time.